I know it's been a couple days. We got to do the giveaway. I have that all set up. So that will be done here shortly. Sorry for the delay. I was just trying to give everybody a good chance to, you know, win a couple bucks. What's up, everyone? How's everybody doing today? Believe it or not, it's actually 80 degrees and sunny in Virginia, so it's definitely going to be a good group ride day today. So I'm going to head off to the gas station, grab some gas, and catch up with everybody else. All right, we're at the local watering hole for the R1. Damn, today is nice. Worst possible time to ride, of course, which is 5 o'clock, but you know, no one really chooses perfect weather. It just kind of happens. But yeah, sorry about the delay in the videos, guys. You know, I want to get y'all as much content as possible, but also I don't want to bore you to tears with the same old stuff. So fortunately today it is awesome weather and we get to go on a little bit of a group ride and you get to meet some of my friends. Let's ride, boys. Today is awesome. Like, this marks spring slash summer slash bike weather. If you're not riding today, you should have. I'm glad I did. And we're here. Huh? All right, so we made it one piece. Wait for everybody else to get here and then we'll ride.
Who the fuck is that?
We're going to Jefferson real quick so we can get fork seal oil, and then I'm gonna run to my house real quick. If you want to ride with me, I'm gonna go sell a headset while they're doing. I'm gonna go sell a headset while they're doing that.
Where at?
Yeah, my battery's going dead though.
Now we're gonna grab Caleb some fork seal oil.
on takeoff. I'm no good on takeoff.
Where's your GoPro?
I don't have it on me yet.
I was like, oh my god. Hey, okay. So when I was behind y'all, was giving y'all room, whatever, When I got into third gear, my hips locked up. I was like, God.
I can't feel my legs. I said, Bubba, they ain't there. And I looked down, and them little bloody nubs was kicking real fast like this here.
Can't feel it. Can't feel my legs. That shit hurts so bad.
I got him wheeling in it, like going sideways there.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
You want to go see what's his face, right?
We can try Casey, see if they got for sale. If they have to order it, I don't want to buy it. They should have it sitting in there. That's what I'm saying. So, Casey,
What?
he kicked me out if we were both admins.
I think admin can
Oh, admin has full control. That's why I didn't want to give it to you dumbasses, because like you can just kick each other and add each other anytime you want. Which,
Well, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I just did it to fuck with it.
yeah, as long as you add it back directly, that's fine. I just don't want everybody like nutting on each other with that privilege. Yeah, that's gonna be OD, and you have to like load the messages all over again. Like it's tragic.
Yeah, because I was like, all right, everybody say bye to Dan.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he unplugged my TV and left.
Did he really?
Yeah. I was like, yeah, how could he do that?
You got me.
Well, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, share, and if you would like to know the winner of the giveaway contest, check the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.